Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're here about to go on a boat ride.
I got the variety. She gon'
Scratch mixed it.
oh yeah, na 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 na. Oh yeah, na 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 na. Touch, I got the variety. She gon' give me my teeth. I got the variety.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Malaika. Hi. For those who are new, thank you for dropping by, and I hope you subscribe. Yeah. And for my returning gang, welcome back. I do hope you all enjoy this video and you give a like, a comment, a share, and you subscribe, you know. Yeah, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so when you see my name pop up, you'll know what the drill is. All right, okay. Okay, so from the title, you would already have seen that we went on a boat trip. So we're on a boat trip. My family and I went on a boat ride around the city. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. I must say the scenery was beautiful, the vibe was nice, it was just breathtaking. So if you are thinking of doing something like that with your family, or you know, anyone at all, or even by yourself, I really suggest that you do, because it is beautiful, it is worthwhile, and you would not regret it. What is wrong with me? Yes, but yeah, let's get into the video. You're gonna see us waiting to be boarded, and I must say, the organizers, they tricked us. I don't know if it was for us to get there early or on time, but they said that we were going to board at 2:30. Boarding started. Why they boarded until 4 p.m? They started boarding at 4. Like everyone was there from like 2:30, you know, everyone is there and just had to chill. I don't know if that's something that they usually do, but damn, we were waiting all the time for them to board us. But anyways, it was nice, and yeah, I enjoyed it. I would recommend for anyone to go, and yeah.
Na na na, oh yeah, na 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 na. Touch, I got the variety. She gon' give me my teeth. I got the variety. Says she wanna party with the jugabun, because she never met nobody but a dumb baby. Brown and practice like a jugabun.
Okay, so we on the line. Right. Nautical Express. Finally on the boat. Scratch mixed it.
Oh yeah, na the variety. She gon' give me my teeth. I got the variety. Says she wanna party with the jugabun, because she never met nobody but a dumb baby. Brown and practice like a jugabun. I ain't never seen nobody but a done. I say, baby, do you wanna be a jugabun? Are you sure you can party with the jugabun? Says she wanna party with the jugabun, because she never met nobody but a done. Long time, baby, you've been on my mind. nobody but the done. Long, long time, baby, you've been on my mind. Long, long time, baby, I've been on my grind. No for one night, baby, you've been on my mind.
Lock off the sound with one touch. It's coming back, it's rolling back, it rolling. You don't know how these things go.
We're waiting for...
Damn. One touch. Magic touch.
Only thing I chase is paper. Only thing I chase is paper. Because I am a jagabon, a jagabon. The only thing I chase is paper, paper. Na 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 na. Said she wanna party with the jagabon because she never met nobody but the dumb baby. Brown and bright just like a jagabon. I ain't never seen nobody but the dumb. I say, baby, do you wanna be a jagabon? Because she never met nobody but the dumb.
I'm a jagabon, classy, bougie, riff rap. Only fuck with good vibes, Hennessy with no chaser. Only thing I chase is paper.
Baby, do you wanna be a jagabon? Oh yeah, na 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 na.
Crazy.
Mixed it. Oh yeah, na 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 na. Oh yeah, na 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 na. Touch, I got the variety. She always give me variety. I got the variety. Said she wanna party with the jagabon because she never met nobody but the dumb baby. Brown and bright just like a jagabon. I ain't never seen nobody but the dumb. I say, baby, do you wanna be a jagabon? Are you sure you can party with the jagabon? Said she wanna party with the jagabon because she never met nobody but the dumb. Long, long time, baby, you've been on my mind. Long, long time, baby, I've been on my grind. No for one night, baby, you've been on my mind. No for one night, baby, I've been on my grind.
I'm a jagabon, classy, bougie, riff rap. Only fuck with good vibes, Hennessy with no chaser. Only thing I chase is paper. I'm a jagabon, classy, bougie, riff rap. Only fuck with good vibes, Hennessy
I chase is paper. Said she wanna party with the checker band because she never met nobody but the damn baby. Parties like a checker band. I ain't never seen nobody but the damn. I say, baby, do you wanna be a checker band? Are you sure you can party with the checker band? Said she wanna party with the checker band because she never met nobody but the damn. Long, long time, baby, you've been on my mind. Long, long time, baby, I've been on my grind. No for one night, baby, you've been on my mind. No for one night, baby, I've been on.
I must add that everything was amazing. The food, the drinks, the vibes, you know, even the people, like everything was nice. So I would recommend it to anyone who wants to go. Please go. It's your sign to do it. My family and I did go to the boat ride because one of our family friends, my brother's friend, he performs and he was performing there, so we all went to support him. WARCHILD, I hope you guys go over, check out his music videos, check out his music. He makes great songs, and you know, give him a support. Yeah, big things popping, man. Yeah. If you guys did enjoy this video, which I hope you did, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell everyone to come on over and join the bandwagon. Let's, you know, let's do this together. And I have one more request. So if you guys want, instead of me saying guys, if you have a name that you would like for me to call you, just let me know and I will put it in, take it into consideration. So the best name that I can call you all, put it in the comment section and I will let you know who the winner is and what I will be calling you going forward. But until next time, catch you in the comment section. And if you have not watched my previous video, I'm going to put it right here. Please do. And the album as well. Thank you. Have a good one. Stay safe. Be merry. Enjoy your summer. And yeah, peace out. Ciao.
Scratch mixed it. Oh yeah, na 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 na. Oh yeah, na